Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I am Hamid Iqbal Khan, a calligrapher in third generation. Today I am here with new video. Today I am writing Sul's letters Kaf, Kaf, Lam. These letters today I am giving a practice for my students. First of all, this is Kaf. In the circle, you can measure the dots. Measure the circle with dots, and head of Kaf should be 2 dots. As you see, head of Kaf will make in 2 dots. Now let's see how to write Kaf. This is Islamic calligraphic style Suls. So this is Kaf. The circle of Kaf, before this I made that should be 5 dots inside the circle. In our today's lesson of Sul's lettering, you will learn the formation of the letters Kaf, and 2 types of Kaf formation you will learn, and Lam, practice of Lam, that you will learn. Dear viewers, Islamic calligraphy is the pure heritage of Islamic history. Being a Muslim, we should take this responsibility in our shoulders to spread the noble art in the world. We should introduce this art to the new generation. In traditional calligraphy art, the style which I am writing the letters and lettering, this is called Sul style. There are 7 types of script of traditional Islamic calligraphy. One is Naskh, Suls, Rika, Diwani, Kufi, Nastaliq, and Rana. These all are traditional calligraphy scripts. While I am writing the letters, the viewers and the people who want to learn this Arabic calligraphy script, they are advised to observe the direction of holding the Qalam carefully. You must be knowing that how to hold Qalam and how to dip Qalam in the ink while writing. Dear viewers, if you have any questions about materials, methods and training, etc., you can ask in the comment. Inshallah, I will reply that comment. I hope these lessons make this script very easy to learn for the new students, for new learners. So in basic Arabic calligraphy lettering, Sul's lettering, this is my 3rd tutorial from Kaf till Lam. Lam should be also 5 dots and Kaf should be also 5 dots inside. I hope you have learned Arabic calligraphy lettering and got a new practice of Sul's lesson. And inshallah, when you will practice each word, each letter at least 20 times or 30 times, you would be able to write in the same way. Inshallah, soon I will meet you in the next video. I will come with the 4th lesson, Meme, Noon, Wow and Hey. Till that, Allah Hafiz.